Hello children. Okay, let's continue with the unit 1. In the unit 1 today I am going to narrate your story. Okay, hope you have read this story in your textbooks also. So for the story, first of all, before starting the story, I want to show you something. What is it? It's a alarm clock. Okay, everybody is having in their house alarm clock, or maybe on your study tables or in the offices we are having, so we can see the time from there, and when we want to get up in the morning we are using this alarm clock. So your today's story is related with this alarm clock only. Okay, maybe you remember now. Okay, now see our unit 1 story. The name of the story is Neha's alarm clock. We are having the story around Neha. Neha is a small girl like you only, either of 4 or 5 class. She loves to sleep at night. She loves to sleep always. She don't want to get up in the morning. When somebody disturbs her, she feels so angry. Now every day she used to wake up by 6 o'clock in the morning because she has to get ready for the school. So one day what happened, she was sleeping and she don't want to get up, but in the meantime, sharp at 6 o'clock, what happened, her alarm clock start ringing, tring tring or ring ring or whichever sound is there. Neha don't want to come out, so she was feeling so angry. She thought maybe if the alarm clock will not ring, then in the meantime she heard a sound, or what was it? That alarm clock falls on the floor, and she was very happy. Okay, now tomorrow nobody will be there to disturb me. I'll sleep for a long time. So that day went like that only. On the next day again, now alarm clock was not there, as her bed was near to the window sill. Okay, sill means a small shelf either inside the window or outside the window. So in the morning what happened, the birds came inside and they were sitting on the windowsill and started chirping, and the sound of the birds disturbed Neha's sleep. Now she said, oh no, what is it? Now the birds are there not letting me sleep. Then again she has to wake up and gets ready for the school. Then she was thinking, if tomorrow the birds will not disturb me, then so what happened? If the birds are not there, then the next morning what happened? The big bright sun. The rays of the bright sun entering through the window and started disturbing Neha to get up early in the morning. The rays are saying, wake up Neha, wake up. Now again Neha wakes up with an angry mood. She was not happy. Now if the alarm clock is not there, birds are not there, today sun is disturbing me. Then she said, tomorrow if the sun will not disturb me, then not wakes me up, then on the next day what happened, her wish was fulfilled. The next day was a cloudy day. And the sun was hiding behind the clouds. Then who was there to get up? Her mother. She said, Neha, sleepy head, you lazy girl, hurry up, wake up, get up, you have to go to school, otherwise you will be late. Then she starts the day like that. But on the next day, nobody was there to disturb her, neither the alarm clock, nor the birds, the bright sun, or mother shouted. Nobody was there. But by 6 o'clock sharp, she wakes up. When she wakes up, she asked mother, Mother, who woke me up? You? Mother said, no. Oh, I was sleeping. How can I get up on my own? Then mother simply asked one question. Why you want to have your lunch in the afternoon? She said, because I am feeling hungry. I want to eat. Then she said, why you want to do other things on your time? Why you want to sleep at night by 9 o'clock? She said, because I am feeling sleepy. Why you want to go to play with your friends on the same time? Then mother said, because we are having a clock inside our body which makes us feel that this is the time for this thing, this is the time for this thing. So that's why today you got up on your own. Why? Because the inside clock feels you that it's a morning time and you have to get up. Then she said, okay, now don't disturb me, don't make me busy in the things. I have to go to school, otherwise I will be late. Then mother started laughing loudly. Mother said, my dear, be relaxed. Relax, calm down. Today is a holiday, today is a Sunday. She said, oh no, oh mama, oh ho. And then they both started laughing. This was a very short story, Neha's alarm clock. So maybe you are also doing like this. You also don't want to get up in the morning. Sometimes on Sunday also, by mistake, तैयार हो गए जल्दी से, okay, now let's go to school. Sometimes mistakes. Okay, so this was the story. Now after the story, now in the next session you have to be ready with your books so that we can continue the reading and the exercise in the textbook. As I have sent you the written work and you have completed the spellings, the word meanings and question answers in your note. Okay, we'll continue in the next session.